Lesson 9.2 Vending Machine Basic. Open it from the free Verilog curriculum. I opened the free Verilog curriculum, click into this lesson, and wait for the docs pane to load. The lesson loads, and the docs on the right become our guide. You will finish next state transitions for coin vending FSM. Map coin/files coin/10 into R/files HA10/55. Simulate pass. State encodes how much credit the machine has collected. Next state logic is combinational. Inputs plus state to next state. Default next state equals state keeps the FSM stable with no coins. Coin inputs steer ID has to shade*5 as 8s, 10s as 8sef. Your TODOs are the next doc state assignments for coin paths. Fill the golden. Next are state targets, then Ctrl S. Those edits are in. Next we open simulation, press run, and check the log for pass. Open simulation and press run. The log shows coin paths and dispenses/balance prints, then pass. In Surfer, right-click the TB scope and add the signals. Surfer, state beats follow each coin event. Yosys shows the state flops and transition decode. Then open the FSM Diagram tab. Open the FSM Diagram. This is the state machine Yosys extracted. Open the circuit schematic to see the synthesized netlist. Review. Next state case is the lesson. Outputs come later. The TB inserts 5 and 10 coins and prints state changes. That is vending machine basic. See you in the next lesson.